Alright, I want to talk about this Watchdog EPO surge protector for my RV. I bought this one and I really am impressed with it. It's helped me out, it's saved me. It's a 50 amp version, so it's got this big 50 amp plug on it. It's got a LED on it. The 50 amp plug here goes in to a 30 amp dog bone, and so I'm going to go ahead and just plug it in, show you. It protects your RV from surges and from bad power lines, and then when you turn it on, you see it pops on, it clicks, it tells me that it's working. On the side here is a bunch of error codes, tell you whether there's a line error or a missing ground or something is wrong there. And then other thing that I think is really cool about it, well, like there, I just got an E6 error. I don't even know what that is. Line 2 neutral is reversed. I don't think that's true. I think maybe I just touched it. But anyway, the other thing that's really cool about this is there's an app on your phone. And I'll show you. It's going to come up here and show me a device list. Find a device, and I've got a hardwired one in my RV, and I've got this 50 amp plug-in. So I bought two. Alright, now I want to talk to you about the app. This Watchdog Hughes has an app. It's called like the Watchdog app. Basically on my iPhone, I want to find my device. I have a hardwired one on the RV that it's recognizing, or this 50 amp plug-in version. It says connect to it. I just reset the power, so it hasn't used any kilowatts. It's only been plugged in for about 5 minutes now, but I see voltage on lines 1 and 2, 2.9 amps on my charging side, so my RV's in there charging the batteries, and then it's got 1.1 amp on the other side. That's probably the fridge running. The frequency, the hertz, the watts that it's currently pulling. So it gives me a really good idea of what my RV's using, and I bought this so I could help realize that 220 plus 150 is, you know, less than 400 watts. So I put 800 watts on my RV as a solar system, and this shows me that that'll keep me charged up if my batteries aren't completely dead and things are just kind of running. But once again, this Watchdog plugs in. It's heavy duty, it's sturdy. I've had good success with it. It saved me at a campground that had really bad wiring once. And then the other thing, I have it plugged into a 30 amp through a 50 amp dog bone in my garage, and that's just because of the setup I have in my garage, which is fine. It works just great in that orientation. So if you're interested in one of these, I have had really good luck with it.